Trump seeks to overturn NY guilty verdict. After SC ruling, former President Donald Trump officially requested Thursday evening that Judge Juan M. Merchan reverse his guilty verdict in the New York hush money case after the Supreme Court granted presidents immunity for official acts. His lawyers argued that his historic trial was spoiled by evidence that shouldn't have been allowed because of the country's top court's recent presidential immunity ruling. In May, the former president was found guilty in an extraordinary criminal trial on all counts of rigging business records in the first degree. The trial lasted 1.5 months and was restricted by District Attorney Alvin Bragg's investigation. Trump defense attorney Todd Blanche wrote in the motion that the court should discharge the indictment based on its violations of the Supremacy Clause and presidential immunity doctrine. The Republican presidential candidates' lawyers Emil Bove and Todd Blanche wrote that instead of waiting for the Supreme Court's direction, the district attorney scoffed with hubris at the former president's immunity motions and asserted on rushing to trial. Both lawyers urged Judge Merchan to address this discrimination and said that, in light of the Supreme Court's decision, he was obligated to do so. Trump became the first former president in U.S. history convicted of misconduct when a bench of judges found him guilty of falsifying business records to cover up a likely sex scandal with an adult actress. Bove and Blanche urged the New York judge to dismiss the jury's verdict and the indictment, which would prevent prosecutors from re-examining the case. Merchan said he would rule on the defense's request on 6 September and, if necessary, sentence the former president on 18 September. The Manhattan District Attorney's Office must respond by 24 July to Trump's defense filing and refuse to comment Thursday. Last week, Trump signaled that he would reverse his criminal conviction after the Supreme Court ruled about substantial immunity. The top court's 1 July immunity decision gave wide-ranging protections to former and sitting presidents and insulated them from prosecution for official acts. Trump was convicted on 34 felony counts of falsifying financial records arising from what prosecutors said was an effort to cover up a $130,000 hush money payment to adult star Stormy Daniels just before the 2016 presidential election. The actress claimed that she had sexual relations with the former president in 2006, which Trump denies in his CNN 27 June debate with Democratic presidential nominee Joe Biden.